What's up, everybody? This is your boy JR303 coming at you with another unboxing and installation video today for the Eotech EXPS 3 that we've already done an unboxing video for. So if you look up at the corner, we'll leave a link for that so you can go back and look at that unboxing. I had bought a kit. It was supposed to be a cover to protect the lenses on this. And let me get my cloth real quick. There's some powder. So anyways, so I had bought, and it looked the same, but it was for the XPS 3, and just the XPS is different. They molded it, made the shape different. I thought it was only that the buttons were here in the front, but because the EXPS, we put them here for the side. So I got this so I could put a magnifier later, not try to reach for the buttons. So after talking with GG&G, it's American made, they made me aware of that. So I did see, like on Amazon, a lot of products complaining that it doesn't fit. I was even under that impression, and I was wrong. So it wasn't GG&G, I got the wrong covers for this. So we're gonna try to install the new one. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna do an unboxing, and then I will do the installation of this onto the Eotech. So like always, let me show you the packaging. Here we are. It's our new cover, the lens covers. I want to try them out. It's just these are so expensive. I want to try to protect my lenses as much as I can, even in travel and things like that. And so when I have used it, I've gotten the sun, and it says that you can use the lens cover because it's on a hinge as a sunshade, and that works pretty good. So I wanted to try that. I haven't really seen any unboxings of this or demonstrations of this. And take it off. So here we go. Let's open it up. We got our instructions. We got our product. It is aluminum. That's for the front, or for the back. It flips over and goes up on top. Door. It is pinned all the way through. It is a little bit wobbly. That goes back pretty good. Here's the rubber that goes inside. So you will have to buy it like this with it all built together. It's not just the cover like on the XPS. It's molded on and fit. So we'll try that. We'll do the install. Okay, there's the bag. Here's the tools it comes with. It looks like a wire, a pin, and then it has these little rubbers. And then the Torx L wrench. Like always, here's our directions. See the EXPS 3. Oh, is what we got. Here's the directions. I'm going to show you the install. Like, this is just how I install them. I suggest you follow directions and do how they say. If I mess up, that's on me. But let's do this. Okay, so we're going to start by opening this. Let's see what comes in here. There's some type of clear plastic. I really haven't even seen it installed. There's a piece of wire. It's like a little plastic piece of wire. And it comes with these pins Make sure they don't roll off the little pins. There's 3 of them. So we're gonna have to first, it says remove the battery cover. And if you remember from past videos, I tried to remove that. I don't think it was this one, but remember, my fingers are sensitive. So let's try to use this. Use something else. Nope, not gonna do it. Okay. Oh, there we go. We got it. It's a little hard. You could use a quarter. That's what I usually use. There we go, but it did come off. So it says remove the battery tray. Then use the Torx to remove the 3 screws to hold the cover. So what I'm assuming this is actually to re-put this on, which I might have to do later because I don't have pliers or whatever it will take. So let's remove these. Okay. This is our first Torx. Actually, look, I might actually have something. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna remove this Torx. The 3 Torx used to fasten the Eotech Pro protective hood from the optics body. Set these screws aside for later, so we're gonna put them right there. We'll do this side. Oh, there's the battery. I didn't even take out the battery. Come on, rookie. Being a rookie today. Yep, definitely being a rookie. I did remove this actually before to try to get that other rubber on. So these do come out. Alright guys, sorry for that. As I was recording, as I was taking out this Torx screw, my camera beeped and told me it was overheated, which is weird because I mean, what was that? We were only couple minutes into the video and I'm filming at 4K 30 frames per second, which is weird. I've heard about the GoPro 10 overheating, which is really ridiculous that it's overheating that fast. Had the media mod, it should be able to do that and not overheat. So let's get back into this. So you're gonna apologize for that. So here we go. So we're gonna remove the other one. So I'm back to filming from my phone, which is funny. My phone never overheats like that while I'm video recording. But a camera is supposed to be for vlogging. I haven't even really taken it out and used it all that much. It's doing that. Okay, so we remove those. And then it says for me to take this piece of plastic. It's to protect your buttons. So to take this, it says to shimmy between the buttons. So you might use this torque, push down the button as much as you can. Look at it. Okay. It says to shimmy it. Okay, over the buttons. Okay, so we got it in over the buttons. This is to this is from the rear of the optic. I don't know how you were going to do that, but then the top just comes right off. Voila. So to be honest, if I'm going to do that, I'm just going to go in here with these. Clip it. Take it off. Comes with these new crimps. I don't know. I expect you to Okay, there it is, popped out. I'll put this. Tighten it up, there we go, see? I flattened it in between both. There you are. There we go, we got our end. Alright, so during that we might speed that up because it did take a while, so not gonna lie, it was kind of a pain. So now we're gonna take our plastic and we're gonna install it here over. Let's see how they, I think you could do it there. I'm just gonna do it here. So we're gonna take it, we're gonna put it over like so. Take this,